Right Now News, brought to you by Toyota.
Happening now, this wildfire in Colorado is still burning this morning, but today firefighters hope to fully contain it, even though it has forced hundreds of people from their homes. Let's take a look at some of that video of that wildfire. Right now, it is about 50% contained. It's burning just west of downtown Boulder in the Sunshine Canyon area. You can see a lot of first responders out there. They've been out there since this fire broke out early yesterday, really trying to contain it, really trying to extinguish it. 250 firefighters out there yesterday. A lot of them still on scene this morning, monitoring that fire and protecting structures to make sure it really doesn't spread to homes or buildings. Right now, roughly 60 acres have burned. More than 400 homes have been evacuated as a precaution. That evacuation remains in effect until further notice. The Boulder County Sheriff's Office says this fire may have been caused by hikers or campers, but we don't have any word of any arrest or any people of interest at this point. Right now, they're really focusing on trying to fully contain that blaze, hoping to do that sometime today.
Yeah, we saw firsthand in November just how quickly these wildfires can spread, how devastating they can be. And quite frankly, for years and years, we just looked at that as a Rocky Mountain problem, a Western United States problem, but we know exactly what those folks are going through right now.
And a lot of people saying the same thing this morning, like they see it up in the hills, never thought it would have gotten this close to their homes.
Yeah, in Colorado, they are no stranger to wildfires at all.
No, it happens fast.
Yeah,
no
it
doubt
does.
about that.